not afraid of what love brings, an ending sound begins of beautiful things. It's the chance you take, a chance you win. If someone's gonna find you, first you've got to let them in, 'cause love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over, now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it starts. Might win it all or lose your heart. If you're not afraid of what you feel, and try to keep it simple, I try to keep it real. And if being real means that someday I'll say goodbye, remember my friend, goodbye's not the end. It's the circle, you know, that starts with one hello. Oh, love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over, now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it starts. Remember my friend, goodbye's not the end. It's a cycle, you know, that starts with one hello. It starts with one hello. Ooh.